How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we'll be comparing two platforms in the domain and hosting site scene, being Bluehost and WordPress. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So right before we get into the video, I just want to quickly mention that we're giving away 75% off your very first Bluehost plan plus a free domain using our affiliate code link down in the description below. So if you guys want to learn more about that, be sure to check out that link as it greatly supports the channel. Now back to the video. So the main key difference between these two platforms is that Bluehost is a hosting site for domains, whereas WordPress is more or less a web content management system. So WordPress was originally created as a tool to publish blogs, but has evolved to support publishing other web content, such as traditional websites, mailing lists, internet forum, media galleries, membership sites, and whatnot. So obviously you can use this for stuff like CRM or whatever e-commerce business you have cooking in the background, whereas Bluehost kind of acts as the server for this. So that's the key difference between the two. And the nice thing about Bluehost and WordPress is that they're properly integrated to work with each other. So if you guys were looking to put up a CRM website for your business, obviously you would want to have accounts for both platforms to have it going. So while Bluehost would be providing the domain hosting or the server for WordPress, WordPress would be providing the substance for the CRM site. And that's pretty much the main difference between the two. So you can't really compare the two platforms as they work accordingly with each other. And at the end of the day, you're going to need one of the other to run a business. So yeah, that's it. That's Bluehost versus WordPress. So before we end the video here, I just want to quickly remind you guys that you can get 75% off your first Bluehost plan plus a free domain using our affiliate code link down in the description below. So with that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.